Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the world of top-rated products and uncover the very best for you. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on an exciting journey through the most sought-after die-cutting and embossing products available on Amazon. In today's countdown, we'll explore the standout tools and supplies that crafters are raving about. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting started, these products promise to elevate your creative projects and bring your visions to life. Without further ado, let's dive right in and discover the top contenders in the die cutting and embossing category. Discover the ultimate solution for your Cricut cutting needs with our extension tray for Cricut Maker 3, Maker, and Explore Air series. Imagine a cutting mat support holder designed with meticulous precision to fit perfectly with your Cricut Maker 3, Maker, and Explore Air 2 Air 3 models. This accessory is tailored for 12x12 grip cutting mats and vinyl materials, ensuring that your mat stays flat and firmly in place during every cut. The extension tray stands as a guardian of your cutting mat, preventing bends and slips that can disrupt your projects. By maintaining a neat and straight alignment, it effectively prevents jams and keeps your materials secure, so you can focus on your craft without worry. In addition, this tray is a marvel of space efficiency. Its lightweight, removable design ensures that you won't be sacrificing precious desk space. The AUI Shin Cutting Mat Extender offers a sturdy extension without encroaching on your workspace, giving you more room to bring your creative visions to life. When it comes to installation, ease is paramount. The detachable design allows you to install or remove the tray in mere seconds. No tools, no tape, no hassle. You can switch between assembly methods effortlessly, making it a breeze to adapt to your crafting needs. And for those who value convenience, the AON extension tray's compact and simple design makes storage and transport a breeze. Slip it into any tight corner of your Cricut Maker drawer, carry case, or dust cover, and you're ready to go. Elevate your crafting experience with the extension tray for Cricut Maker and Explore Air series, where functionality meets flawless design.
Unlock the power of precision and versatility with the Cricut Deep Point Blade Plus housing. Imagine slicing through a world of materials with effortless ease. This cutting-edge blade and housing set is engineered to tackle over 50 materials, reaching depths of up to 1.5 mm. Whether you're crafting with chipboard, rubber sheets, thick cardstock, or foam, this tool delivers impeccable cuts every time. Crafted from hard, durable German steel, the Deep Point blade boasts a steeper angle of 60 degrees, a significant leap from the standard 45. This advanced angle, combined with its robust carbide steel construction, allows it to slice through even the thickest materials without a hitch, maintaining its sharpness and precision. Designed for seamless compatibility, this Deep Point blade and housing effortlessly integrates with Cricut Maker and Explore machines, including Explore, Explore 1, Explore Air, and Explore Air. 2 models. Simply attach the blade, and you're ready to transform your crafting dreams into reality. From custom wall calendars and personalized stamps to creative DIY magnets, the possibilities are boundless. The Cricut Deep Point Blade Plus housing is your gateway to crafting beautiful projects right at home. With Cricut's smart cutting machines and innovative tools, turn your creative ideas into stunning realities, quickly, easily, and with unmatched precision. Elevate your crafting game and let your creativity soar with the ultimate cutting solution from Cricut.
Elevate your crafting game with the Cricut Knife Blade and Drive Housing, a tool engineered to redefine what's possible in your DIY projects. This powerhouse blade delivers razor-sharp precision and is designed to cut through an impressive array of thicker and denser materials. Imagine creating intricate designs with ease. Whether it's wood, leather, chipboard, or more, this blade makes it happen. Crafted from premium 12mm German carbide steel, the Cricut knife blade is the epitome of durability and precision. Its robust construction ensures clean cuts even on materials thicker than 0.75 inches. This is the blade you need to carve out detailed images and complex patterns effortlessly. Compatible exclusively with the Cricut Maker and Design Space computer software, this blade and housing set offers a seamless cutting experience. While it's not designed for iOS or Android devices, its performance with the Cricut Maker opens up a world of possibilities for your creative projects. Think beyond the ordinary. Create stunning puzzles, detailed models, and exquisite leather goods. The Cricut knife blade excels with balsa wood, basswood, tooling leather, garment leather, Cricut chipboard, and mat board, making it an invaluable addition to your crafting toolkit. Bring your creative visions to life with precision and ease right in your own home. With Cricut's innovative tools, transforming your ideas into beautiful, dimensional projects has never been easier. Fuel your creative fire and let your imagination take flight with the Cricut knife blade and drive housing. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling die-cutting and embossing products on Amazon? Well, be sure to cut us some slack and subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a cutting-edge update. Meet the Cricut Joy Xtra Smart Cutting Machine, your gateway to unparalleled creativity and precision. This sleek white powerhouse is more than just a cutting machine. It's your all-in-one tool for crafting brilliance. Imagine effortlessly working with over 50 different materials, from the ever-popular vinyl and iron-on to versatile cardstock. With the Cricut Joy Xtra, cutting through intricate designs is not only possible, it's precise and flawless. Whether you're crafting custom t-shirts, personalized home decor, or intricate paper crafts, this machine does it all. But that's not all. The Cricut Joy Xtra goes beyond cutting. It writes, draws, and even foils with exceptional finesse, turning your ideas into beautifully crafted reality. And for those who love full-color designs, this machine seamlessly integrates with your home inkjet printer, allowing you to print and then cut your designs with striking accuracy. Designed to accommodate popular material sizes like US letter and A4, the Cricut Joy Xtra is the perfect companion for both small and large projects. It's the ultimate tool for transforming your creative visions into tangible works of art. Unlock the full potential of your crafting projects with the Cricut Joy Xtra Smart Cutting Machine. Precision, versatility, and a touch of magic, all in one exceptional device. Let your imagination soar and craft with confidence. Introducing the Cricut 2003534 Replacement Blades, your key to maintaining peak performance and precision in all your paper cutting Cricut machines. This set of 2 custom-designed blades is engineered to deliver sharp, precise cuts every time you craft. Each blade in this package is crafted for durability, ensuring that your Cricut machine continues to perform flawlessly. With a lifespan of 500 to 1500 cuts depending on the material, these blades are built to handle even your most demanding projects with ease. The Cricut 2003534 blades come in a package that includes 2 blades, with the sleeve color varying to add a touch of variety to your crafting arsenal. Each blade is meticulously designed to replace your old, worn-out blades, restoring the cutting power and accuracy of your machine. For optimal safety and performance, always remember to unplug your machine before replacing the blade. Handle these precision tools with care, and keep your Cricut projects running smoothly and beautifully. Upgrade your crafting toolkit with the Cricut 2003534 replacement blades, because every cut counts, and precision is the key to exceptional results. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling die-cutting and embossing products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.